What's up, YouTube? I just dropped a video on the Babyliss Low Pros, so I figured let's throw a little tutorial in here, how they cut. So the clippers have a lot of power, as you can see. They go through the hair, no bogging. Power equal to the Masters, if not maybe a little bit less, but completely capable for doing anything so far that I've used them for. But so far, man, I love these clippers. They're a 10. So back to the tutorial. We're just gonna follow the way the hair is going. He likes his hair short. He don't care about his waves. He had waves his whole life. He said just cut it low, give me a taper. So we just use the blade on his hair, because as you see, he comes about, he lets his hair grow out a little bit before he comes. So he wants his hair as low as possible. So right here, what we're doing is just following the way the hair is growing, combing it, and yeah, pretty self-explanatory. For the front here, you want to make sure you don't cut out no patches in the hairline. So you make sure you comb it, and you could even lift up a little bit on the blade so that it cuts a little bit longer, just in case there's any calyx. So if you know your client already, make sure if you don't know him, make sure you ask him if he has, any weird stuff going on in the front. He'll usually tell you, because he would have been patched or something already. But right here, we're just using the Low Pros open, and you want to open and close the lever as we're working under that spot. We got a nice little guideline in the back of his head, nice little wrinkle, so try to keep it under that as much as possible. Now we've got the half guard on there, and since his hair is so low, we're gonna use two guards, mostly the half guard. The half guard for the Babyliss Pro Guards is, man, amazing. I got 2 reviews on those, so check them out. So we're gonna pull the ear back, and we're gonna line up, try to keep it as natural as possible. Just go around the ear, pull the ear down, move the ear out the way. Hopefully the guy doesn't have hard ears, because those ears suck. Now you're gonna go around the little crevices and make sure you got all the little hairs around the back of the ear. Right here, I'm lining up the front just a little bit so I can see when I'm tapering them. I want a little bit of contrast, so I'm just giving myself an idea how it's gonna look when it's done. Got the blade open and closing it. Now we're gonna wrap that back taper around to the front by using the guard. So we have the half guard here, and we're just brushing the hair, because when you push the hair with the guard, the hair is gonna stay in one direction. So you'll need to brush it, because that's the way the hair is gonna look when he brushes it. Alright, we're doing the same thing in the back here. We're just wrapping that tape around. Cutting the hair that might be close to the ear. Lining up around the ear. Now we got the half guard on there. And we're we're just gonna brush it and comb it. Brush it, cut it. Brush it, cut it. It's more sanitary to use a comb. It's easier to use a brush, but the brushes are also harder to clean, so a lot of the times I try to use the comb because it's easy to clean and you don't get all the hair from everyone on there. So we're just gonna go over that front hairline again and comb it down and make sure we got everything. And here we're gonna start in the middle, and we have a little bit of a recessed hairline, so we're gonna go from the middle. Both sides are about even, as far as one side is not really higher than the other, so we're gonna go from the middle, work our way out, and we can still beam him up Scotty with a fresh straight line, but obviously you can only do so much. My man doesn't like enhancements, no fibers, no spray, nothing like that. So get up and go, fresh ready for another day. It's another one in the books, guys. Go ahead and like the video if you got anything out of it. My initial reaction to using the low pros is they're good for all types of hair, coarse, thin, plenty of power, nice blade, everything. Go ahead, cop those, and we're gonna finish this up with the Tune 45 razor. I got it on the most extended blade setting so I can see everything. But yeah, guys, support the channel, subscribe, like, thumbs up, the good stuff. I'll catch you on another one. I've been dropping videos every couple days right now, so y'all keep showing me love. I'll keep dropping these videos. All right, peace.